Welcome to this guide on how to increase fingerprint scanner sensitivity. In this session, we'll cover practical tips to make your phone's fingerprint scanner faster, more accurate, and more reliable. Software settings. To start with software settings, go to your phone's settings, then open the display menu. Look for an option called Increase Touch Sensitivity or Screen Protector mode. Turn this on, especially if you use a screen protector. This makes the screen more responsive, helping the fingerprint sensor work better. Fingerprint enrollment and usage, Part 1. Next, let's focus on enrollment and usage. First, keep your fingers and your phone's screen clean and dry. Dirt, grease, or moisture can interfere with the scanner. Second, when registering a fingerprint, don't just press in the center. Slightly move your finger around so the sensor captures your entire fingerprint pattern. Fingerprint enrollment and usage, Part 2. Third, apply gentle pressure when using the scanner. Pressing too hard can flatten your fingerprint ridges, making it harder for the sensor to read them. Finally, if you face problems, delete your saved fingerprints and register them again. Re-registering the same finger multiple times can also improve performance, especially after adding a screen protector. Other tips. There are a couple of other useful tips. Always keep your device updated. Software updates often improve fingerprint sensor performance. If you are using a Samsung phone, you can also improve reliability by adjusting the biometric app's battery settings. Go to Settings, then Apps, Show System Apps, and select the Biometrics Settings app. Change its battery option to unrestricted for the best results. By following these steps, tweaking settings, enrolling fingerprints carefully, and keeping your device updated, you can significantly increase your fingerprint scanner's sensitivity and reliability. Thank you for watching.